In this video, I'll show you how to block someone on X, formerly known as Twitter. So let's get started. There are two easy ways to block a user on X. The first method is to block someone directly from one of their posts. To do this, open the X app on your mobile device. Scroll through your feed until you find a post from the person you want to block. Next, tap on the three dots icon next to their post. A menu will appear on your screen. Tap on the user's username or profile option if needed. You'll then see the block option. Tap on block. A confirmation message will appear, asking if you're sure. Tap block again to confirm. The account will now be blocked immediately. The second method is to block someone directly from their profile. To do this, open the profile of the person you want to block. Once you're on their profile page, tap the three dots icon in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select block. Confirm your choice by tapping block again in the pop-up window. The account will now be blocked, and they will no longer be able to interact with your profile in the usual way. And that's it. That's how you can block someone on X. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more social media tips and tutorials.